out in Denver. We were working on replacing the roof of a historical site. And when I was up here doing the initial inspection and the estimate for it, I did notice that there was going to be some sort of decking that had to be done because there are some soft spots. We always include 3 pieces of OSB, so I figured let's start there and see what ends up coming of it. And then I also noticed that there was at least another layer, so I accounted for that when I built the estimate. Now that we're here and we're tearing off, there are actually 3 additional layers, one of which is wood shake. This is kind of what it looks like right now. Just a mess of shingles. This is the first layer of shingles. This here is the second layer of shingles. And they're working on the 3rd layer of shingles and pounding nails in. And wood shake is all over the ground right now. You can see all this decking. This is too large of a gap to pass code, and it kind of varies from place to place. There are some broken pieces. You can see much larger gaps right there. We actually started installing some new plywood. So we're gonna overlay plywood, OSB, over this entire roof after we get everything cleared off. And instead of taking off the existing decking, we're actually gonna use that to maintain a structural rigidity, and we're going to put new decking on top of it. So overlay that old decking with new decking. We can move forward getting the new shingles on here, but it creates a huge change order. We knew that there would be some, but we didn't realize it'd be this much. So that's when having that conversation with the homeowner is really important, to go over the unforeseen things that could arise on a roof and make sure that everybody's aware of it. Now, this particular building is a 3-story triplex. Each story is its own condo, and so there are 3 owners on this project. So luckily, all the owners are sharing the cost of any change orders that have to be made, but our job out here is to do the job right and to not just meet building code, but to exceed building code. And that means that you have to have those conversations with the homeowners so that they understand what is at stake when they take on a project like this. The roof is in poor shape, so it really does need to be done, and we can't cut corners here. So have the tough conversations, be prepared for that, and do the right thing. And get the project done. I do love this project, not because of all the issues, but the fact that it is a landmark building. I just love the idea that we're on a landmark building and we're restoring this building to a better version of itself. Yeah, thanks for watching.